Welcome to Lily Artist English. I am working on a tracing paper using a needle to make a tiny hole because in this video I am going to show you how you can paint your bedsheet, and this is the design. I have transferred it through the tracing paper. In this video I will show you all the tutorial step by step, so make sure to watch the complete video without skipping any part so that you can understand it very well. Okay, you can trace it in the shape and angle you want. You can use carbon paper for this, but since it's a big design, I use oil on the tracing paper to transfer the design. And if you don't know how to transfer design, how to make these solution, you can visit to the playlist of how to trace and you can find the solution making video, learn from there. And also make sure to visit my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works, and there you can get a playlist of how to trace. There are several videos of how to trace on the fabric. You can watch that tutorial and get to learn. Okay, now moving further, here I am showing you all the brushes I will be going to use for painting this bedsheet. Flat brush, one liner brush, angular brush and round brush. You can use any brush whichever you are more comfortable with, you can use it. Okay, and the hair color combination, sap green, the light green, greenery, I have mixed this color to make this. Now it's available in the market as a greenery one. You can purchase directly from the market also. Okay, and this is a pure cotton bedsheet. You can get it on the cloth shop. I purchased it from the local market, but there is several comments I have seen in the comment section that where we can buy a plain bedsheet. So you can simply buy plain bedsheet on a cloth shop. Na? Just ask for them, and if it's not available, try to find it out on some online websites. Okay. And here's a tip for you for making this paint permanent and long lasting. So step 1, when you will purchase the bedsheet, soak it into the water for one night. Okay, then wash it into the washing machine. After that, iron it out, because ironing is important so that your design can be transferred very smoothly. Okay, so by soaking and washing your bedsheet before painting, you just remove the starch, and now your pores are empty, and when you apply the paint, it will be going to sit there and be very long lasting. But if you don't wash your bedsheet, the cotton one bedsheet, and you don't wash it and paint it directly, your paint will wash off. It will start coming out after 2 or 3 wash. Okay, so make sure to follow all these rules before starting the painting. Now let's move further, and I'm going to explain you how you can paint this beautiful leaf very easily. Then I will be explaining the flower, the roses, everything one by one, and will add important detail wherever it needed. Okay, so you can see that I'm using angular brush for painting leaf with the color combination of sap green, fabrical camel and light green. You can use greenery also with white. After painting leaf, here I moved towards painting flower, and for painting this flower I'm using crimson, pink, maroon, white. Okay, these all are color combination I'm using for painting rose. For painting this beautiful rose, here I am using round brush 8 number, and I prefer using round brush. I like it and I can handle it very well. It turned out very good. But if you prefer flat brush over round brush, you can use it. Now I started painting the rose flower, as you can see in the video. So I am painting the petal with the color combination of red, pink and white. You have to apply red, then pink and white. After applying the color, you have to blend it very well. Okay, and the fourth shade, the maroon one, you will be applying a very little bit of maroon. Always remember, the dark shade we are going to use very little amount. It can make or break your painting. The little bit of more amount of the paint, darker paint, will ruin your painting, and the right amount of darker paint will add such a realistic touch up in your painting. So use carefully and paint beautifully. Now I will be painting the rose step by step, one petal at a time. So you have to paint it very patiently. Don't rush it up. Follow the process. Paint it step by step. It will turn out very beautiful. If you want to learn fabric painting from basic to advanced, so next batch is starting from 10 of April 2025, and class timing will be 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. by Indian time. And now you can join it. Previously classes were only in Hindi, but the next batch in April, which is going to start, it will be both in Hindi and English language, so that non-Hindi speaker can easily join the batch. So if you are interested, WhatsApp on the given number and join now. So look how beautiful our roses turn out. We just painted this beautiful rose step by step. Now I will add some detail in it to enhance its beauty. So adding a fine line with a white paint to highlight it. After that, moving toward painting this simple cute little flower. It is simple in shape only. You have to follow 3-4 layer of steps for painting this cute little flower, so it can be a tricky. Listen carefully, try to understand, and then paint. So in step 1, I am just filling out the white paint in the flower like that and using flat brush number 1. Okay, after that I am applying a little bit of yellow like this from the bottom to the top, shading it outward. So first one is white layer, second will be our yellow. Okay, after that the third paint I'm here using is orange, shading it from the bottom to the top like that. So it's our third layer. After that I am adding fourth layer and it's red. Okay, a very little amount of red you will be using for shading this. Okay, and now it's time to paint the game changer pollen of the flower. So using maroon for that, adding a little bit of dot in the circle and then little dot in petal. It can be a bit tricky, you have to practice it, then it will turn out very good. Okay, so in this process you can paint your flower, simple little flower with a 3-4 layer of paint, and of course the mesmerizing rose flower. If you want to learn technique behind this beautiful rose flower and you want to know how to apply the color, which color is going where, make sure to join next batch starting from 10 April 2025, because in this batch you will learn all about fabric painting from very beginner level to advanced level, and I will be teaching you all the techniques, how you can paint different flower, which color is going where, how to mix the color, how to design it, what is the color combination, what is the theory behind it, each and everything with PDF and class recording. So join now. And it's time to reveal our beautiful bedsheet we just painted. So look at it. We painted this design with a very beautiful rose flower and little cute simple flower, adding it with a leaf, arranging it. I have shown you how you can trace it, the color combination, brushes I used, and this is the pure cotton bedsheet. You have to wash it. Okay, make sure to remember the trick I have shared you in this video to make it long lasting and permanent. These are the close look of the design. Look at it. Oh my god, how beautiful it turned out. And make sure to wash it with your hands, gentle wash, no washing machine, no harsh detergent, no brush on the design. Okay, this is all for today. You can always share your opinion in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and interested in fabric painting, make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends and family. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Take care. Bye bye.